Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clear cache from your iPhone. So clear cache improves speeds and performance. Before you clear the cache on your phone, make sure you know your password since deleting your cache will log you out of your accounts. To clear cache on your phone, open up the settings application in your mobile and then click on Safari. And you can see this option here, clear history and website data. Your device will double check that you want to clear Safari's data. Click through the message that follows. You can also clear the cache and preserve history and cookies in Safari. Tap on this advanced, then website data. Once here, you can either tap on edit and remove individual sites, or you can tap remove all websites data. Then tap remove now. To clear the cache on your iPhone apps, you need to offload them. Offloading an app will free up storage that the app uses while still keeping its documents and data. If and when you reinstall the app, your data will be there. First of all, open the settings app again. Scroll down, select this general and tap on this iPhone storage. Now select the app you want to offload and tap on this offload app. Select offload app from the top-up window. From the pop-up window, you can also delete the app if you no longer need it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.